This is another episode of 30 Wet Bags in 30 Days. And today we're working with something a little bit controversial and dangerous. Today we're making a gun and bag. Now, this isn't about weapons, it is a fashion statement because your bag should be locked, loaded, and ready to get so many attention. Who needs a bullet when your bag can fire up a conversation? Okay.
I can't believe how realistic this bag looks. It's got space for keys, cards, and lipstick. I'm obsessed with the structure. Just straight over your shoulder, and you're good to go. I think it's really cute, guys. And it fits into your hand like a real gun. Oh my gosh, I'm too good.
So, would you dare to carry a gun and bag? Or is this one firing a little too far for you? Let's discuss in the comments. Tomorrow, we're watching the constellations. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.